What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we are looking at the Pamu Z1. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you're notified when videos to come, tips, tricks, and unboxing just like this one. Check out my blog at 130.ca, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Now let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. There we go. Let's see what's inside. There you go. As you could see here, very nice design there by Pamu. Let's take this guy out. There we go. Push that guy out there. Let's put this on the side for now. In here is another box full of literature and accessories. Let's open this up. There you go. It comes with a little bag there. Charging port, USB-C. Some literatures right here. And some replacement earbuds. There you go. Let's put this on the side for now. There you go. Let's go ahead and open this up. There you go. Now this is actually quite the premium design here by Pamu. They're really bold on the design here. Look at this. There's a Pamu name there, and then there's a Pamu name on the side. I'll link everything in the description below as well. A design there that says Pamu. This can be taken out and replaced to whatever size that you want it. There you go. And replace just like that, real easy. As you can see there, when it is charging, look at the side there, it'll lit up. Very nice. Let's put this in our ears. There you go. See how well the fit is, right? There you go. You'll get a message there. Let's see a shake test. Pamu. You know, when you're doing aerobics right there, right? There you go. Let me know what you think on the fit there, on how it looks. There you go. Now let's go ahead and go to our phone. Real easy. All you need to do is go to the settings here and go to Bluetooth, and then we're gonna go ahead and pair it. There you go. Once connected, let's go ahead and test out some songs here. Let's see how well it does. We'll throw it out about halfway there. Pretty good bass, oh yeah. Let's go about 3/4 right now. I think that's pretty good. It's pretty good actually. I really like this. Great sounds, of course, with Pamu. All the sounds are crisp, really nice. Now, of course, with every earbuds out there, this has active noise cancelling as well. It also has an app that you can pretty much control everything on there as well. But today we're gonna look at the operation control, the touch controls on each ear. Pretty much it's pretty similar for each one. There are some differences, so we're gonna show you the similar ones, which is the play and pause, which is the one touch there. There you go. Let's pause it. Let's do the same thing on the right side now. There you go, yeah. Let's pause it. You can also use this for incoming calls. You can just touch once on each side, doesn't matter. You'll be able to answer the call. If you want to reject the call, all you need to do is double tap on either one and you'll be good to go. Obviously, the difference here is the double track. So for example, if you want to previous the track or you want to go next on the track, all you need to do is double click on the left for previous. As you could see there. If you want to go next, you're gonna hit the right side. And there you go. Now if you want to control the active noise cancelling on and off and transparency mode, all you need to do is press and hold on the right side. There you go, we are now in transparency mode. There you go, very nice. Now let's go ahead and do that again. Check, check, check. And there we go. We are now in active noise cancelling mode. Now on the left side, you can do Siri by press and hold as well. And there you go. It brings up Siri. Pretty cool. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new earbuds. This one's from Pamu and this is the Z1. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. I'll see you guys next time and peace out. Thank you.